आज का दिन थोड़ा डिफरेंट था। 14 नवंबर वर्ल्ड डायबिटीज डे और हमारा कॉलेज जीएमसी हंदवारा ने एक अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया था। सो वी ऑल वेंट देयर, नॉट जस्ट एज स्टूडेंट्स बट एज फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स, रेडी टू लर्न समथिंग इम्पोर्टेंट। वहाँ हमने डायबिटीज के बारे में डिटेल में जाना, कैसे शुरू होती है, इसके सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं, कॉम्प्लिकेशंस कितने डेंजरस हो सकते हैं और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट प्रिवेंशन। कभी कभी एक छोटा सा अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम भी जिंदगी भर का पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज कर देता है। एंड टुडे वाज एग्जैक्टली दैट काइंड ऑफ डे।
जीएमसी हंदवारा एंड अदर डिग्निटरीज जो भी डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट से हमारे यहाँ डॉक्टर साहब आए हुए हैं, आप सभी हंदवारा का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ।
Our lifestyle has changed. We have become voracious eaters. We eat a lot. We use our vehicles to move about. We don't go for workouts. We don't go for exercise. So what is success? That we become fat. We have not only diabetes, we have other diseases like dyslipidemias, obesity, central adiposity, cardiovascular, cerebral vascular disease, which have become very common. If we give a proper checkup, if we do a proper screening.
So that was today's World Diabetes Day program at our college. We learned that diabetes is not just high sugar. It's a condition that can slowly affect the eyes, kidneys, nerves, heart, and even healing of the body if we ignore it. But the good news is diabetes is preventable and manageable. Eat balanced meals with less sugar and less junk. Stay active. Even a simple 30-minute walk daily helps. Maintain a healthy weight, sleep well, and avoid stress. Get your blood sugar checked regularly. If not controlled, it can lead to serious complications like vision loss, kidney failure, heart attack, stroke, nerve damage, and slow wound healing. But with awareness, early diagnosis, and proper lifestyle habits, the risk can be reduced greatly.
They found obesity prevalence in India is 40.32%. 40% of Indians are obese, living with diabetes, and 4 in 5 adults with diabetes live in low to middle income countries like India. And 6.7 million deaths occurred in 2021 because of diabetes only, all over the world. They say around 41 million deaths occur annually globally because of these NCDs. And 15 million deaths occur in less than 70 years of age group. Among them, 62% deaths they occur in India. India contributes around 62% deaths because of NCDs. And prevalence of CVDs in India, cardiovascular disease, it was estimated to be 54.5 million, 5 trillion US dollars. They occur as economic losses because of these NCDs in India only, developing diabetes. And if you are female, you have 64.6% risk of developing diabetes. Now, if you are more than 60 years of age, only 27.5% risk of developing diabetes if you are male. And for around 15%, suicidal thoughts and suicidal tendencies, around 8%. But we should start educating our patients from primordial stage only. So, we should tackle social determinants of health such as poverty, illiteracy, urbanization, pollution, and mother and child nutrition, and health in all approach. Then we should have, this is for policymakers, we should have healthcare financing and policies for smoking, alcohol, trans fat, healthy food, physical activity and pollution. Then we should improve medical education. We should have clinical based, evidence based control for risk factors like smoking, hypertension, lipids and diabetes. And then third is secondary prevention, acute and chronic disease management because of the complications arising out of these NCDs.
माइक से नहीं मिलते हैं कलजोरी में, वक्त की शाम को मेरे दोस्त बुलाना होगा। कुछ नहीं होगा अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से, नहीं होगा अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से, अपने हिस्से का दिया खुद ही जलाना होगा। We are still in and
start of our career, what we should think, what we should do, we are just planning. He had done, by the time we start thinking, he had done what he has to do. This has been the theme from last 2 years, since 2024 to 2026, that on these three things we should be very much concerned, very much keen in knowing these things and addressing these things. Be it physical well-being, societal well-being and mental well-being. Disease and lifestyle is very, very relevant, especially to diabetes onset, its complications, its management part, its primordial prevention or primary prevention. 55 people with diabetes become blind. So do more than that, because it will be take lot of time to have a dramatic shift from our eating pattern, which is, as sir discussed at the outset, that
ख्वाहिश है, खाने की ख्वाहिश है, मगर दिल में परहेज की ख्वाहिश है। आप समझे? जिंदगी की धड़कनों में मिठास भी जरूरी है। जिंदगी की धड़कनों में मिठास भी जरूरी है। मर्ज बन जाए तो कुछ और भी जरूरी है। मर्ज भी बन जाए तो कुछ और भी जरूरी। तो 10 लोग होते तो मैं उनको बोलता सैलरी ऑन टाइम भी वक्त की जरूरी है।
For awareness of this problem, in awareness, the most important thing is the screening of pre-diabetics.
Today's event reminded us that health is in our hands. Small daily habits can protect us from a lifelong disease. Thanks for watching and happy World Diabetes Day. Let's spread awareness and stay healthy.